Are you experiencing any form of slow performance with MySQL? Would you want the process to run faster than it actually does at the moment? Would you like to boost the level of your DB performance? Users of SmartMySQL just have to enter their slow query and click on the Query Analyzer button. This will ensure the best indexes and query rewrite recommendations are given, which could consequently boost query performance more than 100 times and ensures it runs as fast as possible. SmartMySQL can make query optimization at your fingertips. It results your queries run in milliseconds instead of minutes. Also, SmartMySQL can optimize queries directly from MySQL's slow log file, while also retrieving indexing recommendations for multiple queries at once. Our proprietary algorithm takes dozens of factors under consideration to recommend the optimal indexes matching your SQL queries. SmartMySQL Query Optimizer is the easiest and most efficient way to optimize your MySQL slow. The whole point of having a best index is to speed up search queries by essentially cutting down the number of records or rows in a table that need to be examined. Then creating optimal indexes are the foundation to boost your DB performance and avoid full table scan. But indexing strategy is complex, and it depends on many factors. Many database administrators and developers couldn't find out best indexes for their queries because of its complexity. Creating wrong indexes can cause DB performance degradation. Of a truth, with the use of SmartMySQL, the query process could be optimized. Our proprietary algorithm takes dozens of factors under consideration to recommend the optimal indexes matching your SQL queries. SmartMySQL Query Optimizer is the easiest and most efficient way to optimize your MySQL slow query. Interestingly, the SmartMySQL tool is absolutely free. Wow! What then are you waiting for? What then could be the excuse? Just imagine your MySQL giving a performance as fast and efficient of 100 times multiple. Go get yours now. Download SmartMySQL from www.smartmysql.com. SmartMySQL makes MySQL smarter.